Jude. Kamusta? Tawag si Marian. Marian ba ito?
Marlene!
Ah, today is Friday. Yang May
7!
8. May 8 ngayon. Kamusta kayo? Kami, if you ask, okay lang. Okay lang ako, ha? Si Kuni, okay lang siguro na siya. Yang malapit na eleksyon dito sa atin, Philippines. Pero I cannot vote. I cannot vote. Kaya dati na may movement is limited within the House only. Si Tony, okay siya sa ano, yan. Dati pa rin siya nagalag. Hindi na lang kanya hintay ng ng talagang birthday mo sa sa 16 ba yun? 15. May 15, 16. Ngayon, we just greet you. Happy birthday. You know? I know, I am 82 years old. Ikaw ay 80. How are you? I hope you are fine and in good health and strength. Kayong dalawa ni Marian. Happy birthday. Kunin naman ang salita.
Hello, John! Thank you very much for the casket you sent us. We are happy about it and we enjoy. And John, on your birthday, we wish you good health, happy, strong, healthy in mind, body, and soul. And John, happy birthday. We wish you happiness always in your life. Thank you, John. Thank you. Thank you also, Marlene.